You said Oga said they should do video. Okay.
Just. What's his name?
Roland.
This is one of the patients brought to a private clinic, rescued almost at the point of death as an emergency. He's been treated here for over 4 days now without any charge. No penny is placed on him as charge for the services rendered. His medical bills are just done freely. Even someone else has offered and paid for a Uber car to take him to his destination, where he mentioned, somewhere in Bonicamp in VI. Roland is his name. Now, upon all this goodness he got from this very private clinic, he was so wicked enough to steal the phone of one of the nurses attending to him. Here is the phone. The phone he's flipping. This is the phone of the nurse, one of the nurses. He stole it and hid this phone inside his pint. It is an evident truth that this is one of the looters, one of the sponsored talk to disrupt the peaceful protest of the youth. This was one of the people looting, stealing, giving the protesters bad name. This is one of them. If he's this wicked,